Witness number 2, the letter dated September 14, 2022, of the Honorable City Mayor requesting for creation of 2 revenue
Laws
collection
and
clerk
ordinances.
positions. The proposed ordinance of Honorable Joselito S. Del Rosario amending certain sections of Ordinance number 2015-012
Ano ini? Ipapainidig di sa pigpasar mo
or
niyan?
the Education Code of Naga City.
Iba ini duman sa pigpasar mo niyan?
Separate, ma'am.
Separate. Okay, laws and ordinances.
And education.
And education.
The endorsement dated September 14, 2022 from the Head Tri-Mobile Task Force endorsing the application
Committee
for
on
transfer.
Transport.
The letter for concerned citizen from concerned citizen recommending the passage of an ordinance
Laws and
regulating
ordinances.
dog ownership. Other matters.
Honorable Rosales.
Madam Chair, as earlier we passed resolutions giving recognition or expressing thanks for the successful Peña Francia celebration. Pasalamatan tapang PNP and other groups. May gusto po akong ihabol, Madam Chair, na mention po kaya ni Engineer Martin na during the processions and the entirety of the Peña Francia Fiesta, while they were assigned in cleaning the streets, may mga nagkapira pong volunteer groups na nagtarabang po sa paglinis.
Tama.
So, it would be proper for us to also give them provide resolutions of gratitude. Namely, first, we have CB
Before
SUA.
that, you asked the Committee on Rules kung pwedeng i-include.
Yes po. With the indulgence of the Chair, may I request for inclusion under Special Business and Order.
Madam Chair, the proposed resolution is deferred temporarily because we are waiting for the list. And the list being mentioned by the Honorable Rosales is in line with the pending proposal for us to pass a resolution expressing our thanks and gratitude. So, kung piraman yan, dapat yaon na si listahan sa RSI si mga tataanta so that we can already pass the necessary resolution. Iyon lang yan, Madam Chair, si pighahalata para maipasar si resolution. So, kung ikuha ng listahan din,
Honorable
I think we
Rosales.
should already pass the necessary resolution.
Honorable
Sige po, Madam
Rosales.
Chair. Siguro isabay na lang po, considering na igwapalan pong pending pa. So, isararo na lang po. Idagdag ko na lang po iniyo duman sa pending resolution.
So,
Dahil na po, Madam Chair, idagdag. Yan. Ay, gwa ka na po.
Honorable Omar. Ay, Honorable Benape.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We already have a list of those who will be included in the proposed resolution expressing the gratitude of the Naga City LGU. So, we have here already enumerated the list, and I believe, Madam Chair, that we can already pass this resolution. And I would like to enumerate some of those for the satisfaction of our colleague, Honorable Del Castillo.
Alaba. Baka
Alaba
pwedeng
po, ma'am.
isubmit na lang po si list Secretariat.
So, may I request, Madam Chair, na isubmit ko ito sa Secretariat.
Okay.
Thank you, Madam Chair. So, with that, I would like to read again the proposed resolution title, Resolution expressing the profound gratitude and appreciation of the City Government of Naga to, and the list is here, for their invaluable contribution to the success of the 2022 Peña Francia Festival in the City of Naga. And this is a motion on joint and
And joint and
collective motion. And so I move, Madam Chair.
So on joint and collective motion, and then the list be given to our secretariat.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Isasabay, and also the resolution of Honorable Rosales. So approve. Next item.
Other matters, the letter dated August 27, 2022, of Mr. James Gregor Asuelo, Chairman and CEO, Bridging Leaders for Sustainable Development Incorporated, inviting the members of the Sangguniang Department Head and Staff for the 11th Eco Forum in
So
Subic
those who are
Bay,
interested,
Zambales.
submit your name to the office para magibuhan ng travel order. Next item.
Copy of the advisory from the DILG dated September 14, 2022 on the attendance to the NEO orientation course for local legislators.
Ngunyan, Aldo.
September 26 to 28.
September 26.
26 to 28. Si sa Vice Mayor's League yan.
Summit Hotel,
Kasabay.
Naga.
Kasabay. So, take note. To those who are interested, dyan lang yan sa Summit Hotel. Next item. Honorable EU may bayad. Honorable Del Rosario.
Chair, for the information of my colleagues, I also received a invitation from PCL inviting this representation to the President's Summit on October 13 to 15 sa Lawag City, Madam Chair.
October ano?
October 13 to 15.
13 to 15. Oh.
Aputon ko lang pala kung pwede duman mag-ano.
For those who are interested na mag-chaperon sa Presidente. Ayan pa nga sa Presidente.
Anyway, Madam Chair, kung anong napag-urayan mo duman,
Ipapaabot
kakaskade ko
mo
na
na
lang.
lang.
Oo. Including si mga pasalubong siguro kung anong kwento. Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Del Rosario. Next,
Nominal voting.
Honorable Del Castillo.
Resolutions and ordinances to nominal voting and move for the approval of the same.
Any second? Approve. Next,
Move to adjourn, Madam Chair.
any second to the adjournment? Session, may gwa ka pa? Session adjourned. Okay, Honorable Del Rosario.
On the second part of the while
Si mga ano.
second part of the after our adjournment, Madam Chair, we would like to invite yung mga department heads
Si mga department
for our
heads.
initial
Pakisabi na namin.
assessment, no. Then naman kita